So, yesterday, my employer said something to me that left me shocked and speechless. So, as you all know, I recently moved to Germany, actually only 2 weeks ago, and last week I started a new job at a startup company after my layoff in the US and all that drama that happened that you probably know about by now. So, one of the founders of my company pulled me into her room and she's like, "Hey, I sent you an email. Did you have a chance to look at it?" And in that moment, that sounded to me like, "Hey, we need to talk." And I started to freak out. She saw it on my face and she's like, "Hey, no, it's nothing. I have something for your boyfriend." So let's back up a little bit. I joined last week, and in this 1 week, I think I've told everyone at this point that I'm in a long distance relationship and that my boyfriend is in America, which makes it so hard for us to meet and also to talk on the phone because of the time difference. And I also happen to mention कि मैं तो अब US shift नहीं हो पाऊंगी उसके लिए, so we might explore the option of him moving to Germany. Fast forward to yesterday, the email that she had actually sent me contained a bunch of job postings at a startup very close to my city, and she basically suggested that my boyfriend apply to them and that he might have a chance. And to increase his chances, she was willing to speak to the HR of that startup because she knows them. It didn't even stop there. She actually reviewed my boyfriend's resume today and she suggested some changes. She also suggested some tools that he could use to make his resume more pretty, because I think German people prefer a pretty looking template, and also a tool to write a really strong cover letter. And she also said that she was going to try and negotiate with HR and ask if they really need German skills to do that job, because most jobs in Germany require you to speak German. I'm speechless because this person has known me for less than 2 weeks and she is willing to go this far just to help me. अब यहाँ ये मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड का रेज्यूमे रिव्यू करने में हेल्प कर रही है, और वहां मेरी एक्स कंपनी थी जिनको मैंने अपनी मेंटल फिजिकल हेल्थ से ज्यादा प्रायोरिटाइज किया फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 2 years, अपनी सोशल लाइफ से ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी दी, एंड व्हेन दे मेस्ड अप माय लाइफ really bad, they didn't even help me with my resume review. Actually nahi, they had reviewed my resume and the feedback that they had given me was that I was giving away too much of the company's confidential information by talking about all the equipment that I've worked with, so they made me take it off. Don't think that I'm mad about them laying me off or them messing up my visa situation. It's the fact that they did nothing to help me and they did not even acknowledge that they have messed up my entire life, and they had promised me a letter of recommendation जो मुझे आज तक नहीं मिला है, 8 महीने हो गए हैं. Honestly, after the way these people treated me, it just makes it so hard for me to believe and wrap my head around what happened yesterday. And it just makes me realize that if you ever feel unworthy, it's not because you're unworthy, you're just in the wrong place. But anyways, that was my rant and I really need to focus on building this shoe rack now. And जो भी tools मेरे CEO ने mention किए हैं, I'm gonna mention them in the caption so you can use them too.